Here is an overview of all the tools that you will need. Open the bonnet and disconnect the battery at both terminals, ensuring that the connectors will not move back into contact with the battery terminals while you are working. Then wait 20 minutes before working on the car. Use the right angle screwdriver or pull the steering wheel out and push in the 4 holes holding the airbag in place to release it. Then undo the green and red wires. Use the mini flat blade screwdriver to unplug the steering wheel controls. Unscrew the switches from the steering wheel. Then unscrew the 2 gold screws that hold the plastic backing on so that you are able to remove the control assembly. Replace the switch assembly and reassemble. Remember to ensure that the airbag is connected. Also ensure that the battery terminals are done up tight, as the car may not charge the battery if this is the case.